How deep into the future do you dare to venture? A future where artificial intelligence mimics human thought, while humanity itself embraces synthetic evolution. A time when Tesla bots scale skyscrapers and walk the moon. AI guides people through controlled dreams, while underground Martian cities take shape. Fusion energy fuels floating ocean metropolises, and space stations spin in the vastness of the cosmos. The line between man and machine blurs as technology accelerates beyond prediction. Let's take a leap forward and glimpse the world that awaits us. The 2030s, the dawn of intelligent systems. Cities become self-regulating ecosystems, controlled by AI that optimizes traffic, medicine, and even human productivity. Quantum computing surpasses all previous limits, making today's supercomputers obsolete. SpaceX establishes the first lunar settlement, where robots construct habitats for future colonists. Autonomous humanoid assistants become part of daily life, taking on dangerous and complex tasks. Neural implants replace traditional devices, allowing people to interact with technology using their thoughts. The 2040s, the transformation of humanity. AI-driven scientific discoveries lead to breakthroughs that defy conventional physics. Nanotechnology revolutionizes medicine, repairing the body at a molecular level and drastically extending human lifespan. Brain-to-brain communication enables silent conversations through thought alone. Fusion energy replaces fossil fuels, providing unlimited power for global and off-world expansion. Cryogenic hibernation trials succeed, allowing astronauts to sleep through long-duration space missions. The 2070s, Mars becomes home. A fully functional Martian colony thrives beneath the surface, shielded from radiation by underground tunnels. Terraforming begins as atmospheric processors work to make the red planet more habitable. Lunar hoverbikes become a primary mode of transport in low gravity. Artificially contained black holes provide near-infinite energy. Commercial space tourism flourishes, with orbital hotels offering microgravity experiences. The 2010s, the Great Leap to Type 1, civilization humanity achieves full planetary control, utilizing all of Earth's energy to sustain civilization. Advanced AI governs major global decisions, preventing crises before they arise. Cybernetic enhancements turn humans into biodigital beings, merging biology with technology. Planetary-scale data storage is developed, using micro-black holes to store vast amounts of information. The 2150s. First steps beyond the solar system. The first interstellar spacecraft departs on a journey beyond our cosmic neighborhood, powered by fusion and antimatter engines. Asteroids are converted into mobile habitats, housing entire spacefaring populations. Matter teleportation technology progresses, allowing small objects to be reconstructed at distant locations. The concept of reality itself is questioned as humans begin creating ultra-realistic, simulated universes. The 2020s, the age of technological singularity. Human consciousness is fully digitized, allowing people to exist beyond their biological forms. Nanorobots repair and enhance the human body indefinitely, making aging optional. Artificial microstars illuminate regions of deep space, creating artificial constellations. Time perception is manipulated through neural engineering, stretching or compressing subjective experience. As we transcend biology and space-time, will technology grant us omniscience or transform us into something greater? The journey has only begun. Subscribe for more mind-blowing insights into the future.